Hey, good afternoon, Bob. Trade Genius, the 6th of August. Market's making its run to all-time highs, and I just wanted to kind of show you a little bit just how to day trade. And so, in the morning here, this green line here represents the overnight low. This red line here represents the overnight high. And most days, the the range is captured during the day. Even if it comes out, it'll come back in. With one big exception, we have the VIX here. That's they just pummeled VXX, and the VIX was flat, and it was at 13. And so that just said that shorting is problematic, most likely. And so when the market opened at 6:30, it did its normal push down, and so I was waiting for it to touch the overnight low, and it made two attempts, and it did not do it. Money flow got oversold, and when it came back up and it pushed through the VWAP here, then there was a good chance it was moving higher, and this is where you would have went long, going into this candle here, and then it ran right up to the overnight high and broke it and came back in, and this is where you should have got out of your trade for this particular trade. Okay, so 1-2 points, no big deal, right? And then it came back down to VWAP again, got oversold again, got a crossover, and it bounced off of this, and you would have bought again on this candle right here at 241.5, and you would have literally just set 4 trailing, and you'd have just let this thing run basically to the end of the day almost. So once it got up here, it made a 5-day high, and that's when you ring the bell and take profit. This is a standard deviation line, which indicates that it's probably getting a little bit overbought, and you would have got out here and you'd have made about 10 points. So the key thing to measure is that when VIX is low, you're looking to buy the dips, and then look for these natural resistance areas here, like here. This was natural support, it held, and then you just look at money flow the rest of the way. And then shorting, I mean, this trade worked out if you were trading Nadex. Once you got the 5-day high, hit this resistance area, you know, you could have shorted up in here until the end of the day, but the probabilities don't favor you. It just favored being long and being done, and you would have made enough money just going long and being done for the day. So I hope that helps you kind of understand. So I look at oil in the morning, I look at the yen, I look at the VIX, or here's VXX, but I can just pop over to my trade forex area here, and I can look at VX as well. And then I go ahead and I just check the open, and when it did, if it would have broke through there and came back, I would have bought it earlier, but it never broke through, and it just kind of held right above it. It does that sometimes too, because they know everybody in the world is looking at this, so the algo was probably programmed just to stay above it. Then that's okay, you just wait till it breaks VWAP and go, and you would have made some good money today. Anyway, thanks for listening. I hope this is helpful, and I'll point out some other opportunities for you guys as we go along. We also went long DBA today. I think the food stocks are getting their bid, and I think it's something for you to start participating in. Money is moving into these markets now, which is a good sign, and so they'll start lifting these markets. We're going into the harvest season, and you're seeing everything starting to move. So just a real quick look here. Corn started moving since the middle of July, and watching this area, soybeans is ready. Looks like it's trying to put in a like a type. Trying to put in a cup and handle here, so I'm watching 1706 area. Wheat already broke out, and as it moved up, so I got a little bit of profit, got stopped out, but then I rolled everything into DBA, so I don't have to watch every single wiggle here, and it's starting to catch a move too. So I think this will be a nice long chug-a-lug play here for those who are fairly conservative, but make no mistake, food prices are on the move. And I think this is the year, because stockpiles are getting lower and the harvests are very average this year. and your harvest is a mess. So take that, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye bye.